Making home improvements is a big decision. That's why it's vital you choose a company that puts you and your home first. At SEHBAC, we've been helping customers just like you make improvements to their home for more than 5 decades.
Starting out in 1966, we are one of the longest serving installers in the UK, and the SEHBAC name has been built up thanks to an outstanding reputation, with several of our management team boasting over 35 years in the industry.
But why have thousands of customers chosen us? That's easy.
We are an award-winning company.
We are a local company with local knowledge.
We have more than 50 years experience in the industry.
We have a team that is ready to help.
We install industry-leading products.
We always put the customer first.
Being part of One Group Construction, a group of specialist construction companies, we have access to knowledge and resources that are simply out of reach of most home improvement companies. We are also accredited by the relevant industry bodies and associations, meaning you can be sure that all of our products meet strict security, energy efficiency and quality standards. And you can see these products firsthand at one of our 11 newly refurbished showrooms, where we have hand-picked a stunning selection of new product ranges, each one meticulously chosen to inspire you and demonstrate the impressive upgrades we can bring to your home. Whether you're dreaming of a home extension, opening up the back of your property or any other home improvement project, a visit to one of our extensive showrooms is the perfect place to start.
With over 50 years of experience installing into homes in the southeast of England, we have built up a level of trust through no pressure selling and also great customer service. Our professional team provide a full service from start to finish, including surveying, designing and installation.
Our experienced in-house team can make applications for planning and building regulations, avoiding expensive architects and structural engineers costs.
Every extension we build has a project manager assigned to you as a single point of contact.
When you complete the contract, our team will provide you with a full schedule of all the timings relevant to the installation, so there's full transparency. Not content with providing you with the best products and service, we also offer a range of flexible finance options to help you spread the cost of the work. When you factor in the 10-year guarantee, the numerous industry awards and our dedication to become sustainable, it's very easy to see why you're in safe hands. So if you are thinking about improving your home, why not visit one of our showrooms or call us now on 0800 666 444 and let us transform your home.